Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This is our last card using the Lily of the Valley bundle. Again, it'll be available May 5th for customers. It's available now as a pre-order for demonstrators. So I just wanted to change things up a little bit. So I added in my stylish shapes. These are the three, this is the smallest, second smallest, and third smallest squares, and I did them on the diamond. This is stamped in Granny Apple Green, colored in with Lemon Lime Twist, and then this is Lemon Lolly. Again, the paper is from the Valley and Bloom Designer Series paper. So going to change it up a little bit, do a different colorway for the card on the video today. I'm just going to move this out of the way. I have colored these with, it's stamped with Garden Green, and then I use my aqua painter to spread the ink around. And then this is light Blackberry Bliss and light, is it lighter? Yes, light Fresh Freesia. I just wanted to pick up some of the color that was in the Designer Series paper underneath. This is the smallest square stamped in Garden Green. And then I've got out of the Designer Series paper, and it's this same piece of Designer Series paper. I've cut out the largest of the squares that we are using, and then we've got the rest. When I cut this up, there was a piece that really only had a little bit of foliage on it, and the rest was this really, really pretty kind of mottled bluish white. So those are going to go like that. This is a 5 1/4 by 4, and we can pop it right down on the card base. The middle piece is using that floral spray folder, and it is a 2 by 5 1/4. So I cut a 5 1/4 by 4 piece of basic white in half. I pre-cut some of my paper. And so I just put it right at the end of the folder, so I don't have that large flower, and I just wanted the small pieces. So I'm just going to adhere this down, and if you feel like there's a way up or a way down, you can do that. It doesn't really matter. It's a bit sideways the way the folder is, but because the flowers are small, it really doesn't show that they're not, you know, hanging the way they would. So then I'm just going to build my squares and just flat mounting these. Okay, like this. The reason I use the similar paper is for the same effect as this, is I wanted the continuity between the background and the foreground. And then I'm just going to flat mount these. Just like this. There we go. Like I say, I wanted to try and pick up some of the color in the background of the Designer Series paper. So, okay, so now we're just going to put this all together. I am going to put dimensionals on the back of these. If you want to put 4 dimensionals on, you can, like 1 in each corner. I'm not really going to worry about that. Maybe I will. This one I've got 4 on, and it seems just a little bit more firm. So let's do this. So we just peel these off. Just like this. And then we're going to pop this down in the middle, and just a little tiny bit over the bottom. Okay, and then we're going to put this down. There's so many ideas for this set, and I'll be revisiting it, I'm sure, over the coming weeks. But these are just, they're relatively simple, fairly straightforward, not a lot of coloring, but still really, really pretty cards. And then the greeting is just flat mounted, and I lined the corners up with the edge of the paper, or the edge of the cardstock from the embossing folder. And there we go. And then I used the Array of Dots. I think this is probably Strawberry Slush and Lemon Lolly, and I'm going to say that this is a Pool Party. And then I would say that this is kind of a Lost Lagoon. Maybe it's the Peaceful Pine color, but they are really, really useful. And so I am going to use these ones. I used the Lemon Lolly ones on this one to pick up the flowers here. I'm going to use the Pool Party ones here just to really brighten up the card a little bit. It's quite a somber, quiet, soft look. So I thought I would just jazz it up a little bit. Like this, and then I'm going to just pop one of the small ones over here like this. So this is the card basically on Pool Party with the Pool Party colors, and this is Garden Green with a little bit of a Pool Party accent to it. All the paper is from the Valley in Bloom Designer Series paper. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know which one you like best, and let's create together again soon.